Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to update Roblox, then this is the right video for you. First, go to roblox.com and open any game you want. Then, click on the play button. Now, if you want to update your Roblox app, then cancel it. Now, type in add or remove programs on your computer and then open it. From here, search Roblox. Click on the three dots beside Roblox Player and click on Uninstall. Once it's uninstalled, then click on OK. Then, go back to your browser. Now click on Play on the game again. You'll see an option to download and install Roblox. Click on that. Now, choose your folder and click on Open. The latest version of Roblox app will be installed on your computer. Once it's done installing, click on OK. Now, click on Play on any game and then open Roblox. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.